Now let's take a look at the back details of the induction heating power supply. And its water cooling pipes. Next, here are the induction coil and the metal to be heated. Now we present the overall view of the front. Of the induction heating power supply. Finally, let's see how the machine heats when it is switched to the manual mode. Next, press the start button. The retain power edge knob can be adjusted as required. Heating in progress.